This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
And don't forget, there's that Black Friday discount running right now at notyouradvisor.com/BLK.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to December. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. On December 2nd, I cannot believe it's December. Hope you all had a great weekend. If you are in the U.S., hope you had a great Turkey Day. Hope your shopping needs were all met. I actually hate this time of year for shopping. As you already saw my post, I try to be a net seller, but I'm not going to try to crash on your shopping parade because, hey, we all have loved ones we're trying to shop for. So hope you get all your deals. Let's jump right in. So just as a preview for the premium members, I'm going to cover like 28, 30 retail stocks today in the charts. But welcome back to a new trading week. I am going to post Taylor Swift singing at the Victoria's Secret show. It seems that Victoria's Secret, after falling out of grace, is now making a comeback. Just take a look at the chart on Victoria's Secret, ticker symbol VSCO. That is a great looking basing chart with a breakout, and it's above the 50 and the 200 day. If you don't have any kids around, I've also included Bruno Mars singing 24 Karat Magic at the 2016 fashion show, the Victoria's Secret fashion show. Expect tomorrow my alma mater, Adobe, to release their Adobe Analytics Cyber Monday spending data. They've already released the Black Friday, and we beat last year's record, making a new record of almost $11 billion in online sales. Wow, we just love to shop, man. It's really impressive. But keep in mind, a lot of folks are using buy now, pay later. And just like any credit card, if you pay your balance off quickly, there's 0% interest, and it's the safe way to go, right? Like if you have high balances, you switch over to balance transfers that have 0%, try to pay it off. But a lot of times what happens with buy now, pay later is they'll get you on, buy now, pay later, and then people don't pay later, and the interest rates go to 30% plus. So be careful with that stuff. And as the red pill to offset all of this gorging of retail, I have also embedded Rami Malek from Mr. Robot and his 10 minutes of ranting on anti-establishment. So whichever side you're on, whether you love shopping or hate it, I have something for everyone. Let's jump right into the breadth numbers. We had a very bullish session for the most part in tech. Tech led the way. The Russell was flat. 894 new highs on the NYSE versus 136 new lows. 48% of stocks were advancing versus 49% declining. 38% of shares were below their 50-day. 33% of shares below their 200-day. The NASDAQ had 105 new highs versus 23 new lows. Let's look at sectors real quick. Communication services led the way at 1.23% to the upside. Technology was up 1.1%. Consumer cyclical was up 0.9%. And all of the remaining sectors were red. That's curious. Utilities led to the downside, down 1.6%. Real estate down 1.1%. Energy down 0.93%. But keep in mind that the volumes were fairly light today. Everyone is either driving back home in the U.S. or flying back home in the U.S. the SPY, or the S&P ETF SPY, traded 30 million shares for the day. The average daily volume is 46 million, and it's been declining every day since the summer. So it was kind of like a 3-day weekend, 4-day weekend, 7-day weekend, whatever you want to call it, because there are people that have been off since not last Friday, the Thanksgiving break, but the previous Friday. People like check out for the whole week, and they go travel with their families. They go skiing, they go international traveling. They come to New York. New York was very busy, so people are spending money here. But let's keep peeling this onion. So what was strong? What was weak in the S&P and the NASDAQ? I'm going to try to rapid fire. I can't cover all of them. These are all percentages. Otherwise, I would have to say percent 50 times. All right, SMCI up 28% today. I guess they're not getting delisted. Lam Research up 6.2%. Norwegian Cruise 5.4%. Estee Lauder 5.3%. Enphase Energy 5.2%. Applied Materials 4.9%. First Solar 4.3%. Lululemon 4.2%. Mosaic 4.2%. Akamai 4.1%. On Semiconductor 3.9%. Tapestry 3.6%. Las Vegas Sands 3.6%. AMD 3.5%. Tesla 3.4%. Albemarle 3.3%. Meta 3.2%. Microchip Technology 3.1%. Deckers 3.03%. KLAC Corp 2.9%. Teradyne 2.9%. In the NASDAQ 100, I'm going to try to dedupe Trade Desk. I told all my premium members about this, but there are rumors that Trade Desk will purchase Roku. Trade Desk is up 5.1%. AMAT 4.9%. Marvell up 4.5%. Global Foundries 4.3%. Lululemon 4.2%. Let's see, I'm trying to dedupe here. Meta 3.2%. Qualcomm 2.8%. Moderna 2.7%. CDW 2.6%. What was weak? Texas Pacific Land Trust down 6.1%. Pacific Gas and Electric 4.9%. Targa Resources 4.7%. Vistra Energy 3.5%. Williams Company 3.5%. Exelon 3%. Welltower 3%. Kinder Morgan 2.9%. Ventus 2.8%. Constellation Energy Group 2.7%. In the NASDAQ, much smaller list, you had Exelon down 3%. DoorDash down 2%, and Copart down 2.1%. These are all available for the premium members on the show notes. Free members, welcome back. Thank you for staying a free member. I just wanted to remind you all, there is a Black Friday discount ending tonight, midnight Eastern Time. All you have to do is go to notyouradvisor.com/BLK. I'll see you all after the Tuesday session. Premium members, please stay on. I have like 28 plus charts to go through with you today. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.